Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today, I have a quick one for you guys on how to locate and utilize the purple negative effect on CapCut. So, initially, what you're going to want to do is go up to Effects, Video Effects, Nightclub, scroll all the way down to find the purple negative effect, click and drag it down to the timeline. And now we can bring it to the beginning of the clip and now elongate the rest of the effect to fit the entirety of the clip. And now, with the effect being highlighted, we can go up to the Special Effects tab and mess with the color, the speed, and also add keyframes. So you guys will be able to play around with these settings to fit your effect needs. So let's take a look at it. And there you have the purple negative effect. I say it's perfect for like an artsy type of style of video. Maybe not more so for the 16 by 9 framing, but more so like a horizontal type of framing for your videos for like YouTube. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.